Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hello everyone, I am Swati and welcome back. With kids around, I am always chasing timelines. While other tasks can wait, serving healthy meals to the family always tops the chart. And the only way to achieve that is by doing advanced meal prep. Every kitchen has different taste buds, but I feel that the basics of an Indian kitchen are alike. So in this video, I have decided to share my healthy meal prep ideas with you all, which would save time yet give a wholesome healthy meal. The showstopper of any meal is a great stuffing, and this mixed veg stuffing is my absolute lifesaver. It has a combination of right veggies, it is quick to make and is super versatile. In terms of seasoning, I just add salt and pepper and keep the option of adding more seasonings open. Meal planning can vary a lot. Depending on how much time you have in hand, making a suitable meal plan saves a lot of money, energy, thought process, and a hassle of cooking food from scratch. The usage of this stuffing are numerous, but few of our favorites are a coleslaw sandwich for a quick breakfast, a mixed veg paratha for our lunch, along with a mixed veg raita, and veg fried rice for the dinner. I usually start my meal prep during the weekend, and whisking a healthy banana bread is something Ruthvi and I enjoy a lot. We all know that bananas are a superfood. It is made even better once it's ripe. So I use the overripe bananas for whisking this 10-minute healthy banana bread, so that we have something quick and healthy to eat when I have absolutely no time to cook. If you follow the channel, you know that moong dal sprouts are our staple. Sprouting increases the nutrition content of pulses manifold. It is high in fiber, low on calories, rich in protein and minerals, which help in digestion and gives many other health benefits. I leave them out for 2 days for good sprouting results. And if we have the option of creating this healthy food in multiple ways, then I'll say bring it on. I make sprouts bhel, sprout salad, or even this delicious sprout sabzi which just tastes marvelous. Until I stayed at Kochi for a few years, I had a stereotypical idea for dosa batter. But now I make them in all forms and fit. Well, now that family members are at home, we need all the more reasons to be prepared with healthy eating options. Snacking is so frequent, so having a well-thought meal plan will save you from the biggest hassle of thinking what to cook next. This quick mix of rice and lentils gives a balanced and easy combination of carbs and proteins in our diet. However, dosa batter has more to it. Fermentation process of this batter helps in boosting good gut bacteria and improves our immunity system. While making dosa out of the batter is obvious, I also use the same batter to make various other dishes, like this mixed veg appe for a quick breakfast option, or even utpam for some welcome change in the dinner menu. So when you can boil potatoes, then why just potatoes? I also add sweet potatoes in my diet to bring more variety of healthy options on the table. I use the goodness of this nutrient-dense root vegetable pre-boiled in my fridge to make multiple dishes. Sweet potatoes are one healthy, versatile food that can meet your every single dietary need without fail, be it breakfast, lunch, snack, or dinner recipe. So I use sweet potato to make sweet potato chaat by lightly grilling the boiled potatoes and adding some spices and a lemon juice to it. I also mix it in flour for healthy and sweet parathas, whose recipe I have shared in the link below. Masala potato sabzi and masala dosa are few more of our favorite potato dishes. Bananas often come in bulk in my house and are quickest to rot. So I cut big chunks of few bananas and freeze them. Everyone knows the benefit of bananas and oats, and when you bring them together, it makes for a great breakfast smoothie. Ruthvi really looks forward to this yummy treat. There is no better summer comfort food than curd. I prefer to prepare curd at home for even more probiotics. However, there are times when I struggle to get a thick and creamy texture, so I use this curd maker now for a no-fail curd prep at home. Since chas and raita are summer staples, I prepare my own spice mix not only to get the instant result, but to add some benefits of spices in our diet, because why not? So here is how I use my homemade curd and this healthy spice mix. If you have never done meal planning, I will say try with 1 week plan and you will see the difference. With meal planning, we surely do mindful eating and even create plenty of unexplored meal options. Ever since I have started with my meal planning, I see that the food is no more monotonous. Instead, I try to add more health benefits to the existing food that I used to create. Legumes like chola or rajma take a lot of time to boil. To add more protein in our diet, I always pre-boil them and store them in bulk in the freezer. This opens up many other options of consuming this power-packed food since they are ready to cook. Chickpea salad with lots of veggies and a good dressing is a meal in itself and comes very handy when we want some healthy snacking. Also, Ruthvi doesn't have to wait for her favorite masala chola anymore. Well, eating greens with kids can be a task. It surely is with Ruthvi. So I have to find different ways to add greens in her diet. Spinach puree helps me find these ways. I blanch the spinach in very little water for just 3-4 minutes to retain its nutrients. Easy puree for quick and fast recipes. And the options are unlimited. So spinach rice, palak paratha and palak paneer are few of the many options that I create quite often. Having a hearty and healthy meal on the plate is just so satisfying, especially if it's an outcome of minimum effort. I hope this healthy meal plan video was helpful to you. Don't forget to join me on Instagram for some daily chit chat and do subscribe the channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, stay tuned.